night to get a Chevy. We got it back, but when we were up here, the sheriff told us about an F-150 up by Tipple Fork, right on the downside of the dam where it's really steep. It was hanging off the side, so we went up and checked it out. I can't believe it didn't go all the way over. So we got the okay this morning from the customer, so we're heading back up. This time we're taking the wrecker and the blue diesel and my Land Cruiser. So we got plenty of rigs to block the road and winch it back up, and then we'll get it back to the customer. Me and park with the back of the truck next to Caleb facing towards the truck. That's impressive. That's down there already. What? I figured we'd use the boom so it could lift up more instead of pulling into the bank.
I can't see anything. See that red light?
Your hub scaled on yours work? On this side of the bread. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
That frame cross member just the top of your head. That way it won't get in the way of the tire.
Get around the control arm, but I don't think I can get there, so let's see if I can get around this.
Not entirely sure where.
Yeah, I'll need another one to double them up.
Another soft shackle.
Ready?
I there and I didn't see it.
Okay, go ahead and take the slack out of it. Okay.
This one. Is it in neutral already?
Well, I'm gonna get in and get in neutral.
You want to take a GoPro with you?
There,
I got this one up here.
Yeah, we have one GoPro up here and one from either over here or down there should be fine.
You want to take it?
Yeah.
hand me one.
I have my hands busy. Start that.
Yeah. How did it happen? Just started floating down the hill, or?
I just took that Kona and sit on ice and it just started going.
Well, it doesn't look like there was no damage.
A little bit.
How did you even get out?
Tow trucks.
Yeah.
I can't believe you were breaking that even before you knew it. I would have been like, if I move, this thing's going over.
Yeah, I could barely hold the door open. It just swung open.
Yeah? Ugh.
My brother said I should try to get out by myself, but I didn't want to.
Oh, no, no.
There's,
Yeah, no.
I'm like, you know, it's sitting right here. I don't want to risk anything. So.
Yeah.
did you try a little bit? That's probably what saved you.
I
Dug your
did.
tires down a little bit. No?
No, right when it hit, I just turned the car off and tried to get out. What did you guys think when you saw it last night?
We're wondering if you were okay, because that was pretty scary looking. Like, I would have been freaking out.
Yeah, it was really steep.
You're going. It's recording.
That ice cleat on the towed wrecker worked perfect. It gave the traction we needed to keep the truck from sliding, but it was still a hard pull. It was hard on the truck, but we got it done. Miraculously, there was no damage done on the truck. He got super lucky. It was pretty amazing. So could have been a way more expensive lesson.
Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, like the one that we did last night, where we went all the way down into the river. Yeah, not too bad. We got it done. We weren't there, but maybe 30 minutes.
A little over an hour.
Was it over an hour? It wasn't bad. It was actually pretty quick.
Yeah, it went pretty quick.
Set-
There was a bit
setup
of an
was
issue with all the
probably-
traffic. It was hard to stop traffic and keep anybody from walking up and just looky-loos and trying to figure out what's going on, because it was on the main road. It was right on the main road to Tibble Fork.
Usually if there's officers there, people will stay back a little bit more just because of the authority figure. So other than that, it was good. Got it done, got it back. Now we all have to go back to work.
Off to the next one.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.